What are polar coordinates? Polar coordinates, it's we see angles. Okay. Rectangular coordinate, we see x, y, z. So we see y, x, z. That's what we call rectangular shape, Cartesian. But when we see polar, we see the resultant and the angle. That's what we're going to work with. And these are just typical example of where you can locate. This is how you represent r and theta, the angle that you see there. So 3, which is r. So this is where you get this is the center. The angle is 45. So this is where you can see we got r45 angle. Okay, and then you see the resultant is 3, 1. So this is 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is where we have our 3. Just to give you an idea. So angle and resultant. Let's go with that example maybe. Let me just go with this one because 135, you start from here all the way up there. This is 135 degree, and where you get 135 and then we represent 2. 2 is actually 1, 2. That's what you see. This is how we have represent this one in red. Okay, and the negative 2 and 60. So this one is just to show you how you can get so the distance between those two. Okay, and then you got negative 2. Where we have negative 2, this way we have negative 2. So this quadrant 3. So this one is quadrant 3, and this one is we have drawn it in quadrant 2, and then this one we draw it in quadrant 1. Okay, you can see when this 2, 1, negative 1, negative 2. So r equal to negative 2. So for quadrant 3, that's how you can draw you can represent a polar coordinate. Okay, just to give you an idea.